That is where we sometimes fall when we say, it cannot be done. Talagang hindi kaya. Doon pumapasok ang demonyo. Sasabihin sa iyo ng demonyo, give up. Hindi mo na talaga kaya yan. Mahirap talagang gawin yan. Sisiraan tayo ng loob. I-discourage tayo. Sasabihin, hindi natin yan kaya. So, anong panglaban natin doon? Well, isang brother ang pumunta sa kanyang abot at ang sabi niya, Abot, I fail many times. In my desire to do good, I fail many times. In my desire to pray, I fail many times. What do I do? And the abbot said, well, get up. If you fall, get up. What if I fall again and again? And the abbot said, well, get up again and again. And the brother asked, until when I will get up? And the abbot said, until your death. Until the end. Minsan ang ganda ng ating mga resolution, pero hindi natin nagagawa. Ang paalaala sa atin ay, kapag nadapa, tumayo muli. Kapag nagkamali, tumindig muli. Sapagkat hindi natin pwedeng hayaan na nalagi lamang tayong nakadapa.